Hi guys! So I'm finished with my balayage highlights and I love the way it turned out. I think I still want to go more blonde, but I love the color. Came out really pretty. This is not natural light, so of course it looks a little reddish, but it's not. It's not reddish. Maybe I can open up some natural light here so you can really see the true color. Let's see if I can get some, well, hang on. There we go. There we go. So, as you can see, super pretty. Some pretty balayage highlights going on here. And super easy to use. I don't know if you can see the top part I darkened. There we go. And then I did the highlights. So they really show up really well when you curl your hair a little bit. So I just added some beachy waves to that and I love it. L'Oreal hair color 6.1. It's the light ash brown and I love it. It turned out really good and I might be coloring my hair at home from now on and saving that money. It's like 20 bucks for the box of hair color. It comes with the dark and it comes with the light. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye guys.